up to 3,000 RPM and it'll stay there.
Back again with another episode of Fast Car Checks. Today we've got this Volkswagen Golf GTi TCR on the channel, and for the old subscribers, you may not recognize this car in this color, but I've done this car already on the channel. It was grey once before, now it's yellow. It's looking absolutely sick. So with that said, my old guest on this show, and she's going to tell you more about this car. So Maz, welcome back to the channel, shall I say. We're here, I should have mentioned actually, we are here again in Scotland, and obviously Maz has come out today. The car's looking absolutely different. This is the first time me seeing it. So do you want to just explain to us what the car's had done and what's different to it now?
Since you've been here, a few changes have happened. We've had it wrapped by Show Wrap, so it's Avery yellow. We've had a stage 2 done with a decat and switch mapping. Apart from that, that's it.
Yeah.
But it's changed the car completely. Last time you were here, it was stage 1. It was grey, and now it's bright yellow and full of power. It's just unreal now. Unreal.
So what was? So I remember vaguely in my head. Quote me if I'm wrong. Was we on about 385? Before?
375.
375.
375.
Yeah.
So we've got to 4 now.
Yeah.
400 brake. I'm pushing just over 500 newton meters of torque.
Jeez.
I can't remember exact figures. See, once you've spent so much money in your car, you just end up forgetting stats and figures. But it's still got a lot more power now. But I'm still going to keep going with it.
Yeah. And it's still done by Ecotune.
Ecotune, obviously, of course. I wouldn't take it anywhere else apart from Ecotune. But yeah, they've gave it its sauce, and it's unreal. Unreal. It's scary. It's scary. It doesn't want to stop now.
Well, it was crazy before. Like, even I remember driving it and saying like this now, how it felt then was just more than enough. And obviously you've gone again with it. And this colour, for people at home that didn't see it, I'll leave a clip in the video now so you can see how this car looked.
Yeah.
So that's what the car looked like before. Now it's looking absolutely stunning in this yellow. So let's just start with the colour. What was the inspiration behind the colour?
So it's actually funny how it happened. I was driving one day and I seen a Golf R Estate, exact same colour, and I was like, I need that, I want that. And I was going back and forth with it because a lot of people were telling me, nah, don't do it, the grey's nice, the grey's unusual, but I just done it and I would never go back.
Yes.
It turns heads for a good way and a bad way. Some people still don't like it, but
no, it looks crazy. It's something different, and it actually pops a bit more with the actual car. Like, you know, the grey, like you said, was nice, but you may see another grey one. And for people at home that don't know what this car is, so it's a Golf GTi, but it's the TCR, which the TCR spec is a bit more tuned than the GTi normal one. I think stock, you said they're about 291?
290, yeah.
290,
They're built for the track.
Yeah.
They've got the Golf R turbos in them and stuff, so it's different from a GTI in some aspects, but it's track ready. It's definitely built for the track. You've got lap timers, you've got so many upgraded things from just your standard GTI.
Yeah.
So yeah.
The exhaust, what exhaust is it again?
It's an Akroprovich exhaust system, so
and that
came
comes stock.
Standard stock with it. So it's a lot louder now than what it was standard because it got decatted. I did take the res out of it, but it just sounded like a tin can. See that tin can anyway? So the res get put back on. But still, you've heard it yourself, it's insane, it's loud and smelly. It smells of fuel all the time, but
Different sun strip as well, I'm noticing.
We're repping the Shore brand,
Yeah.
Shore Wrap brand.
That's for the wrap, is it? Because
Yeah.
it was Ecotune last time, was it? Or
No,
was that on the
Ecotune's on
back?
the back.
Oh, so it's
Ecotune's
still on the back, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's been a while. It's actually been a year to the date that we done the shots
Yeah.
originally. We're actually over in Scotland for an Ecotune event. So obviously this is right now, we're calling this the yearly link up.
Yeah, the yearly link up.
Yeah,
Well,
absolutely. But we're gonna go for a drive now anyway, with that said, and take you guys through for the drive-in. So yeah, obviously welcome back to the channel.
Thank you
For the second time. I appreciate you again, like obviously, you know, letting me come back up and do the car.
anytime.
So yeah, like in terms of the Golf, are you happy where it's at now?
I'd say I'm happy, 100% happy.
Yeah.
When I seen you last time, I wasn't sure if I was going to go stage 2.
Yeah.
I can remember, I think I kind of talked about it, or I think I was going to go for it. But I think I've got to the point of the car where I'm like, what else do I do?
Yeah.
What else do I do?
Because where can you take these cars to? So for example, you've got pretty much most of the stuff done on your stock internals.
Yeah.
Where would it go to next if you wanted to say get an extra, you know, realistically say 40 brake horsepower? What could be next for this car?
So probably what Ecotune have said is a PowerFlex turbo, is it? I'm sure there's a, so you can upgrade your turbos, you can do like crazy things, but I think there's a lot more technology Ecotune have brought out.
Yeah.
That can go in the car to not necessarily spend, like you can spend say less money up to the PowerFlex map. That is roughly about 1,000, half of that.
Yeah.
But that is another form of it, and after that it's like changing turbos where you're about 4 or 5 grand for that.
Yeah. So before turbos you can get what you're saying now and get a little bit, extract a little bit more power.
I think because it's new technology, there's not really much, like I've researched into it, but briefly what they've told me, yeah, you can.
Because they've got a shop car, well I say shop car, but they've got someone who works for Ecotune and he's running about 440, but he's got a different turbo from you.
He's got the PowerFlex.
What you're saying basically. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So to still now get 400 bhp out of a 2-litre turbo, that essentially was
standard
291, yeah, 290, let's call it. So you've still gone up by about 110 brake horsepower anyway, yeah.
Really good, yeah. So we go up to 3,000 RPM and it'll stay there, and you just shoot.
Yeah. It pulls, man. It does, man. Yeah, it does. Picks up nicely, innit?
It's just the
Potholes,
roads,
isn't it?
man.
Yeah.
The roads.
Yeah. That sounds sick, man. It's the same feeling. It's the same feeling. Obviously, I do remember this car, and like I said, I always say Volkswagen, as much as I want a VW do give you a nice feel. You know, steering wheels are nice on them. Yeah.
Flat box.
Yeah, that's it. And then they're easy cars to drive.
Yeah.
Which is, you know what I mean? I'm not saying like, oh, BMWs are hard to drive, but when you're sending it, you gotta be a little bit careful. That rear wheel can catch you.
Yeah.
You know, you've got to learn the car a little bit. much?
It's still we get more.
Yeah. It's just strong, isn't it? It goes, there's no off, like, you know what I mean? I don't feel like there's much weak spots in the map.
But you can even tell, see when you're taking the car in the corners, that car's not going anywhere.
No, yeah, 100%, man. And this is much better, I'm not gonna lie. But I remember it being sick, make no mistake.
Oh,
man.
but this, no, it's insane.
This has gone up a notch, isn't it? The levels have gone up 100%, man. What are you saying, Joe?
Yeah,
it's nice, isn't it?
Sounds so good.
Yeah, credit to Ecotune and obviously the car that it is.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, it has come to the end of the video. Listen, shout out to Maz for this today. And I have to say, like I said, I echo it, this car's gone up, definitely. Shout out to Ecotune. Shout out to Shore Wraps. And also, you do detailing yourself, so do you want to tell the viewers?
So, we have a detailing company, me and my business partner Craig. It's called C&M Christine Detailing. We do a lot of TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Check us out on there because we've got good content, not only detailing content, we like to get some laughs in about it as well, so check it out, CM Christine Detailing.
Yeah, and for the local people that's in the area,
come to us,
come to them and get the car thing. Yeah, 100%.
Come to us.
Yeah, sweet. Shout out to JC Vision as well in the back, so make sure you're following him if you want rollers, photos, all that sort of stuff, even YouTube content like this. Yeah, big them up still. But yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to smash that subscribe button and go and follow the pages. Thanks for watching. Let's go.